Today's Club Master Sweets presents We Make a Hot Dog on the Microwave. It's brought by Atheist to Your Snuggle. Hello guys, I'm going to get a microwave from the store. Let's go. When we got to the store. Okay, I got the microwave from the store. Now let's go home. When we got home. Okay guys, I'm home. Now I'm going to cook the hot dog from the microwave. But first, I need to change the program. There we go. Now I'll press the start button. Wow. Wow, it looks delicious now. Now let's eat it. Delicious. Before I end the video, thanks to the microwave who created this market for making me new hot dogs ever. Now, for my last part, I'll go to sleep now. It's 2 in the morning right now. Anyways, I need to get to bed now. See you later. Luckily, I have a nice day before I hang out with my girlfriend.